Hello friends and welcome to Gradeup. Hello everyone and welcome to Gradeup. Myself is Surajit and I'm going to take this very session where we are going to discuss some very important passage based question which the CLAT consortium has released very soon. So today in this very class we are going to discuss a sample based question, okay, a passage based question which is being has been given by CLAT, the consortium of CLAT, as paper 3. Okay, so this is a sample question passage 3. So in this session, good afternoon all of you, so what I was saying is this, that today we will, in this section we are going to read a particular passage, and thereafter try solving the answers. Am I clear? And try solving the answers after reading the passage. The passage given over here will consist of principles as well as fact. You have to understand the principles and the facts given in the particular passage up next on your screen, and then try solving the questions that comes after the passage. Okay, here is the passage for you. Here is the passage for you. Read the passage very carefully. It talks about sexual harassment of women at workplaces. Okay, it talks about the sexual harassment of women at workplaces, and what is the legal recourse and relief. Read the passage very carefully, friends. Read the passage very carefully. Okay. Am I clear? Very important. Keep this in your mind. Please read what I am highlighting for you. Am I clear? Okay. Up next on your screen. Up next. I am highlighting the important part. Yes. Okay, okay. A lot of people are saying done, done, done. Very good, very good, very good. So, read the passage very, very carefully, friends. Okay? Read the passage very carefully. Okay? Done. Very good. Someone says that he has seen the passage in a newspaper. Very good, very good. Friends, before we start solving the questions and see the questions and start solving those questions, let me tell you that Gradeup has brought a crash course, a Scoreup course for all of you who are preparing for CLAT. Please enroll yourself. You have a lot of time to prepare now since CLAT exam has been postponed. Since CLAT exam has been postponed, you have a lot of time right now to prepare for that examination. The examination is going to be held on 21st of June. So you have more than a month's time, a lot of time to prepare for this examination, friends. Henceforth, we have come up with a crash course which is going to provide all students with the best education possible for CLAT 2020 and other law entrance examination. Okay, let's go to question. The first question: Preeta and Rajesh work at a company called Free Cloud Enterprise. Rajesh is Preeta's senior at work, and Preeta has to report to Rajesh every day about her work. One day, Rajesh sent Preeta a set of images on WhatsApp. These images were lewd and obscene in nature, and Preeta was offended by them. She wishes to file a complaint of sexual harassment against Rajesh. Is Rajesh guilty of sexual harassment? Now, what has Rajesh done? Read over here. One day, Rajesh had sent Preeta a set of images on WhatsApp. These images were lewd and obscene in nature, and Preeta was offended by them. That is it. This is the facts. Am I clear? Now let's go to the fact. Come to this part. But come over here. Off-color jokes, obscene WhatsApp forwards, personal remarks describing a woman in anatomical terms, verbal abuse is regular social interaction. Even if it is a joke, even if it is a joke on a woman which is highly uncomfortable to a woman, she can file a complaint with the ICC, that is Internal Complaints Commission. Am I clear? Look at the end of this passage, okay? This part, at the last end of the passage, okay? So the correct answer is absolutely C. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Yes, sending obscene WhatsApp message to a woman amounts to sexual harassment at workplace. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Okay. Question number 12. Free Cloud enterprise has 11 employees. Since the number of the employees is low, the CEO of Free Cloud Enterprise, Dinesh, decides not to follow an ICC. When Preeta approaches Dinesh with her complaint, Dinesh told her that he would handle the matter himself rather than establishing an ICC. Can he do so? Now, what does the law say? Let's go. Now, let's come over here. Under the law, every organization, come over here. Every organization with 10 or more employees need to set up an internal complaints committee. It must be presided over by a senior female employee of the organization. At least half of the members of the ICC must be women, including an external member who is preferably familiar to the law or associated with an NGO working for causes of women. Am I clear? So at least under the law, every organization with 10 or more employees. I don't think I have to answer this question. I don't think I will be answering this question. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Am I clear? It explicitly, I do not have to tell you the answer. It is 11. The law says if there is 10 or above, 10 plus employees, there has to be an ICC. Yes? Am I clear? Fantastic. I will not answer this question. I have shown you what does this passage say. This passage talks about 10 with 10 or more employees. First line of this slide. First line of the slide says under the law, every organization with 10 or more employees. How many employees are there? That's your answer. Okay. So you know what is the answer. I would request all of you to put down your answer in the chat box after the video is over. After the video is over, I did not tell you the answer of question number 12. Remember that I am not telling you the answer of question number 12. You will have, after the video is over, put down in the chat section, in the chat box, the answer to question number 12. Okay. Let's come to question number 13. Dinesh agrees to establish an ICC for Free Cloud Enterprise and to refer Preeta's complaint to the ICC. Aside from Preeta, who is a multi-level employee at Free Cloud Enterprise, two other women worked at the employee. Ranjita, a new employee who was hired as a junior position, and Sunita, who was the director and therefore held a senior position in the company. Dinesh appoints Ranjita and Sunita in the ICC, but not Preeta. He has also decided to be a member of the ICC and not to preside over the committee himself, as he is the CEO. He has decided, see over here, he also decides to be a member of the ICC and he to preside over the committee himself. Can he preside over the ICC? Can he preside over the ICC? The question to question number 13. Now let's come to the facts. Okay. Who can preside? Who can preside? It must be presided. Now let me just rub this entire thing. It must be presided over by a female employee of the organization. Female employee. Who is to preside? Am I clear? Let's come to question number, question number 13. Now, he also decides. Who is he? Dinesh. Dinesh decides to preside over the ICC. Am I clear? He decides to preside over the ICC. Can he do it? What is the answer? Okay, I am not telling you the answer. You must know the answer. See, the passage says a woman has to preside over the ICC. How can Dinesh, he might be the CEO. Dinesh is CEO. He is a male. Law says a female to preside. Am I clear? Only a woman can preside. So what is your answer? Option D is the correct answer. Okay? Option D is the correct answer, friends. Am I clear? Question number 14. Let's come to question number 14. If Free Cloud Enterprise ICC is to have a total of 5 members, suppose there has to be 5 members, how many other men can Dinesh appoint in ICC? Total of 5 member. Total of 5 member, right? Okay. Now, there is one Sangeeta. Okay, let's come to the facts. Okay. There is Rajita and Sunita. Rajita, Sunita and Dinesh. There is one Rajita. There is one Sunita. And there is the CEO called Dinesh. Okay. 1, 2. It is said that it will be headed. Now, half the members has to be women. Out of 5, what is half? 2.5. 2.5, there cannot be a 2.5 women. At least there will be 3 women. That means she is a female. Female. Male. There has to be another female. That means only half, another woman. That means at max he can have another male. Only 1. Am I clear? 14. The correct answer to question number 14 is 1. That is option B. That is 1. Rajita is a woman. Sunita. These are already 2 members. Already members. Dinesh is also a member. Now, the law says that half of the members has to be women. Half of the members has to be women. What is half of 5? 2.5. There cannot be 2.5 men. 2.5 people cannot be there. At least 3. You cannot cut a woman into 2 half and say you will be there. It cannot. It's not possible. 3 in whole number it has to be there. So there has to be at least 3 people. 3 women. 3 women. He is also there. Dinesh is also there, and another male. At least 1. Okay. Am I clear? Very, very important. Very, very important. Am I clear, friends? Okay. So before we go ahead to question number 15, I would request all of you to like the session. please like the session and share this session with your friends who are also preparing for CLAT. Please share this session with your friends who are also preparing for CLAT, who might be getting a lot of help after seeing this video. So I request all of you, there are around 83, 85 of us who are watching me right now. I would request each and every one of you to like the session, share the session, and press the bell icon so that you do not miss on any notification. Okay. Question number 15. Read question number 15 very, very carefully. The ICC of Free Cloud Enterprises conducts its investigation into Preeti's complaint and find Rajesh guilty of sexual harassment. So this ICC, the ICC finds Rajesh guilty of sexual harassment. It recommends to the company that if it grant Preeti her request of transferring Rajesh to a branch office of the company. Preeti also asked the ICC to recommend that Rajesh be sent on leave for 2 weeks. Can the ICC grant this request? Now, tell me, this person Rajesh is found guilty. Rajesh is found guilty, is found guilty of sexual harassment. Now, Preeti request of transferring Rajesh to a branch office of a company. Preeti also asked ICC to recommend Rajesh be sent on leave for 2 weeks. Am I clear? So what is the answer? Okay. A lot of people are saying A, a lot of people are saying C. Okay, 15C, 15A. Okay. So this cannot be an answer. This is wrong. Okay, so we are done with this. Option D is also incorrect. Okay, so people are confused between A and C, right? Whether it is A or whether it is C. A lot of people have said that yes, since ICC found Rajesh guilty of sexual harassment. Okay, a lot of people are saying A also. So let's see A and C. A says no, since ICC can recommend the transfer of Preeta or Rajesh and recommend that Preeta be granted leave, but it cannot recommend that Rajesh be sent on leave. Can ICC grant this request? The answer to this question is no. I can understand. Understand this. Is it crystal clear, sir? All of you, did you understand? The answer is no. Since ICC can recommend the transfer of Preeta or Rajesh, either of them can be transferred, and recommend that Preeta be granted leave. Okay, they can give Preeta some leave, but it cannot recommend Rajesh be sent on leave. Am I clear? Am I clear? Read the passage. Am I clear, friends? See, I can understand. See, am I clear, friends? The correct answer to question number 15 is option A. No. Her request cannot be granted. No. Option C says since ICC found Rajesh guilty of sexual harassment. Just because a person is found guilty of sexual harassment, can he be sent on leave? Can he be changed from one branch to the other or something like that? No. Since ICC can recommend the transfer of Preeta or Rajesh, whichever it is convenient for the ICC. ICC is a internal complaints committee. Let the committee decide whom to transfer and whom not to. It can recommend that Preeta be granted leave. The woman can be granted leave for that trauma that she has suffered. But it cannot recommend Rajesh be sent on leave. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. So with this, we have solved 5 questions. Friends, at Gradeup, we have brought a Target Law 2020, a Scoreup course, which is going to consist of 100 plus live classes, interactive quizzes, 3000 plus practice questions. The course will also consist of 12 mock tests, topic-wise quizzes, PDFs for revision, and full coverage of current affairs and legal knowledge. So I would request all of you who are preparing for this CLAT examination, which stands postponed, you have a lot of time now. Don't worry. Just since, see, a lot of people are preparing for this CLAT examination. A lot of people are preparing for this CLAT examination, and this examination will be more competitive. There will be much more competition because the last date for filling up for CLAT has been extended. Am I clear? So more and more people will sit this year for CLAT, and it will be a competitive examination. Henceforth, we are conducting a crash course in our app. Download our app, join the free trial so that you have an idea about what are the classes we are running. You can also join this course so that you are well prepared. You are well prepared for your examination. Sir, can you tell which month we have to study our current affairs? See, well, this is a very important question, that till what month do you have to study the current affairs? Generally, it was till March or April of the last year. Now, this year, since CLAT will be conducted in June, okay, it will be conducted in June, I would suggest that be well prepared with your GK till April end or May 15th. But if you see from February onwards, most of the news are coronavirus news. If you see from February onwards, most of the news that you are getting is related to COVID-19 pandemic and all. Am I clear? So most of the news that is coming post February is related to this unusual, unnatural situation of a lockdown that we are suffering from. So I would share with you that you should be prepared with your GK till April end, buts. Okay, so with this we come to the end of today's class. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss on the notification for all our new videos. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.